Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. This one we've got two 1-gallon jugs that we are going to be using with our kombucha from our last video that had been turned into 2 scobies from the process of it multiplying, and now we're gonna make 2 gallons instead of 1. So let's go. First thing we're gonna want to do is have black tea on hand as well as unrefined sugar. From there you will boil water. We're going to start with bringing 4 cups of filtered water to a boil, then turning it off. We're going to then pour in the entire 3 tablespoons of organic tea, black tea preferred, into the pot to steep. Allow the tea 5 to 7 minutes, then pour in 1 cup of organic sugar and stir. Once the sugar has been dissolved, you pour your newly made sweet tea mixture into the glass brewing jar. Fill the brewing jar with 8 cups of cold filtered water. Jar should now be 3/4 of the way full. Adhere the temperature gauge to the side of the jar and look to confirm your sweet tea solution is between 68 and 86 degrees before moving on to the next step. If it's still too warm, add another ½ cup of cold filtered water. Add entire contents of the SCOBY and starter liquid pouch to the jar and give it a quick stir to combine. It's okay if the SCOBY sinks or floats in the jar. Cover the jar with a cotton cloth and seal with the rubber band. Place your brewing jar in a warm place out of direct sunlight with plenty of airflow. No closed cupboards. Leave it there for 7 to 9 days and do not move it. By day 7 to 9, you will see a new cream-colored layer has grown in on top of your brew. This is your new SCOBY. While trying not to disturb the new culture on top, use a spoon to taste test your brew. Taste awesome? You're done. Still a little too sweet? Put your cloth back on and let it ferment a few more days. Once your kombucha is done, high-five someone. You can choose to enjoy it plain or add additional flavoring and carbonation during bottling. Now you're gonna wait 14 days of fermenting in these gallon jars, and then from there you'll go to the next step of flavoring. I'm pretty much done with the flavoring part. Now at this point what I'm gonna do is separate the fruit from the kombucha and then I'll rebottle it. But for this one, stick around, we'll be back with that flavoring once that's done. So thanks for checking out this video and I will catch you guys in the next one.